Welcome back to AI Path, Series 18. Last time we defined what quality means for agents: accuracy, reliability, robustness. Today we answer, how do you actually measure it? Evals. The most important thing in AI that nobody wants to build. Let's fix that. First, let's separate three things people confuse. Benchmarks are standardized tests. Think of them like the SAT for LLMs. They let you compare models to each other, but they don't tell you how the model will perform on your specific task. Evals are your custom test suite. You build them from your own data, your own edge cases, your own definition of correct. They measure whether your agent solves your problem. Tests are code-level checks. Unit tests, integration tests. Does the tool calling code parse the response correctly? Does the retry logic actually retry? You need all three, but evals are the one most teams skip. And evals are the one that matters most. Here's my rule of thumb: spend as much time building evals as you spend building the agent itself. If your agent took 2 weeks to build, your eval suite should also take 2 weeks. How to build an eval set. Step 1. Collect golden examples. These are input-output pairs where you know the correct answer. Start with 20 to 50 examples. Cover the happy path, common edge cases, and a few adversarial inputs. Step 2. Golden traces. For multi-step agents, the final answer isn't enough. You also want to check that the agent took the right steps. Did it call the right tools in the right order? Did it use the right search query? A golden trace captures the expected path, not just the destination. Step 3. Scoring rubrics. Not every answer is right or wrong. Sometimes you need partial credit. Define what a 5 out of 5 looks like, what a 3 looks like, and what a 1 looks like. Step 4. Keep growing the set. Every time you find a bug in production, add it to your eval set. This is your regression safety net. Now the big question: who judges the agent's output? 3 approaches. Human evals. A person reads the output and scores it. This is the gold standard for quality, but it's slow and expensive. Use human evals for high-stakes decisions, for building your initial golden set, and for calibrating your automated judges. Auto evals. Code-based checks. Did the agent return valid JSON? Does the answer contain the correct customer ID? Is the number within 5% of expected? Fast, cheap, and deterministic. Use these for anything you can check programmatically. LLM as judge. You use a second LLM to grade the first one's output. You give it the question, the agent's answer, and a rubric, and it returns a score with reasoning. This is surprisingly effective for subjective quality, tone, helpfulness, completeness. The trick is calibrating it. Run LLM Judge on 100 examples where you already have human scores, and check how well they correlate. If agreement is above 80%, you've got a usable judge. Most production systems use a mix of all three. Let's recap. Benchmarks compare models. Evals test your agent on your data. Tests check your code. Build golden examples and golden traces. Score with a mix of human evals, auto evals, and LLM as judge. And keep growing your eval set with every production bug. Next time, observability and traceability. How to see inside your agent with traces, spans, and structured logs. If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 3.